Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and this is Triple Play Saturday Round 3, Time to Unwind. Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and this is Triple Play Saturday Round 3, and Round 3 looks awesome. Now, the name of the watch face is called Accelerator Lite. Now, there's a paid version. This is the free version. If you want to unlock more background colors, you are going to have to download the paid version. Now, in always on mode, you will get a nice look. It's going to be a digital watch face. It's going to be in a green neon type of color. And when the watch face is on, yes, you get the best of both worlds. I like the uniqueness of the analog time. And your digital time is dead center along with your steps count, your heart rate. You also get the day, the date, and the month down at the bottom of the digital time, and it is in an active. So if I tap here, I can go in and get my information for my calories burned, my steps, things of that nature. Same thing for your heart rate. So I'm liking this. I do like the background color too, very different. It's a dark silver type of color, which isn't bad at all. Now over here is going to be your battery percentage, just in case you didn't know that, right? Now, what I like about the watch face though, now they don't give you all the colors, they do give you two, but I'm loving this daytime watch face look. Now, what I like about it is you can see more of the design and the look of this watch face a lot better in this mode. You got where it's black in the center, white going all around. It really stands out. This is truly an awesome daytime watch face. But at the end of the day, you're the judge. So hit me in the comment section below. Let me know if this is a download or leave it right where it's at. All right, you all. I hope you all are enjoying the rest of your weekend. If you're going out, be safe. If you're staying in, eat, enjoy, have fun. All right, you all. That's going to be it for this video. I will see you at the next one. Hit the like button on the way out. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And with that, I'll see you at the next one. Take care.